People are often really curious about exactly what is in a pixel. And of course, this really depends on where you are and what type of data that pixel is coming from. I want to explore this using planet satellite imagery and some drone data up in the Torres Strait. So let's zoom on in and have a look. So behind me you can see a coral reef. So we can see some deep water, some reef areas, some shallower water, some seagrass and some coral as well. But it's really hard to know exactly what is where. So I want to zoom in a little bit more and get a bit more detail. Now this is planet satellite imagery, and what you'll see there is what we call a fishnet sitting over the top of the satellite data to help you see where the bounds of every single pixel is. Now each pixel is about 5 by 5 meters. So now we start to go, yeah, but what's in that pixel? It's really hard to tell, and that's where drone data comes in handy. So let's dive right in and see what's inside these planet pixels. So you can still see the black borders, but this time we can see what's in the pixels. So you might be able to see some little red patches here. These are all sea stars. So we can actually count the number of sea stars, so know what the density is per planet pixel in this location. We can see some coral. We can see lots of sand. I can see a couple of sea cucumbers as well. So it depends on the area where you look. This is just in one very small portion of the reef that I looked, and I can see all of these things. In other areas, I would see different things in those pixels as well.